Here, I'll just duck down.
No, you don't need to duck. Hi there and welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. This is A Country Life. Warren is with me today because, let's face it, he is typically the one that does the grilling, right?
Typically.
Typically. Today's video is going to focus on Monument Grills. Monument Grills is a company that offers all different types of grills, from 2-burner all the way up to, well, I'm not sure. We have a 4-burner grill here. And what we're going to do in today's video is unbox it, assemble it, cook on the grill, and then we're going to eat. We're going to eat. We are down at our ice house. We are back into, sorry, I keep putting my hand in your face. We are back into what we would call second winter, right?
Second winter.
Second winter. We are
big fans of cold weather grilling. And this grill will deliver the heat we need to make a great lunch.
We've got kids back home pressing hamburger patties, getting things ready. Let's get this grill unboxed and assembled.
Wow, packaged really well. Look at that.
Today we are specifically unboxing, assembling, and cooking on the Mesa 2 415BZ. We have a nice assembly guide here. I'm probably going to look at this more than Warren is. He'll probably just...
I'm not one to read the guide.
He's going to just be like, okay, I've done stuff like this before. It appears that the only thing you're supposed to need is a Phillips screwdriver.
I would say that an X-Acto knife is nice for
opening.
Here's our wheels.
Good, that's one of the first things that we need actually. We need
Great.
4 of those. It appears that they just pop in.
That's what I was going to do. That's very easy. Very easy.
Nice. Okay, figure 2.
Let me just adjust these a little more. Yeah, that goes together nice.
A well-designed gas grill made for families, everyday home use, and it offers a great value to give you the perfect start for your outdoor cooking season. And it's just showing boom, 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 boom. So I guess you're right. So I have to say, so far, kudos to Monument Grills, right? I mean,
yes. The assembly is very easy.
The assembly is written out very, very clearly.
Mm-hmm. It's very good. Your toes are numb. Do we move inside now?
Yeah, I think so.
I think we can do it all inside.
Okay.
The Wisconsin weather is kicking our butt right now, so we're going to move in by the wood stove and finish assembly inside.
We're going to have heat.
Yes.
Next step is to put together the thermometer. So we need a number 29. Number 29 is a side burner shelf assembly.
Back screw, no problem.
I spin one little thing around to get it into position, and I'm all like, woohoo, what would you do without me? Let's see what E does.
Yeah, that is totally a spot because there's actually a little Now it's... There you go.
There we go.
There you go.
Okay.
Done.
And then with a 4-burner system, there are distinct heat zones. On the left, you have the ability to do stable, even heating for everyday cooking, and then on the right is a high heat broil zone, and that is for powerful searing of meat. These cast iron grates are extra thick for great heat retention, and they also make nice pronounced sear marks on your meat. Oh, you brought all the stuff?
You guys don't
we got
step on the
seasoning
floor.
and flippers and burgers and the lettuce and the cheese.
You got the
and
buns?
the ketchup and mustard and the buns. And some milk with some plastic cups.
You're awesome.
Did you bring my vegetables sitting on the counter. My frozen
We
veggies.
didn't because we didn't know what they were for because there's a pot with some water.
Nobody wants to eat vegetables, are you kidding?
And we were like, it's fine.
It's fine, it's fine. We don't need the vegetables.
You guys.
So Warren is just putting in the little tool hangers now, which are nice for, you know, keeping all your tools handy when you're grilling.
Keeps them under cover.
Mm-hmm.
I'm very linear. I like them all in a line.
All
But
in a line.
You don't have to do that. You guys guess what that's for? What would you use this for? You put your match in there,
Wait, really?
and you strike your match, and then you use this to light the grill so you don't burn your fingers. I prefer to burn all the hair off my fingers.
Makes sense. Oh, it's not this. No.
Okay.
Here?
I see it.
But
Nice.
we have
So
fire.
we just have to turn them on high.
We'll let it warm up. I'm excited. This grill is going to be wonderful down here. I mean, it's just the perfect size. It's got 4 burners, so even in the cold, we can cook and have plenty of heat. I'm looking forward to this.
Me too. I'm looking forward to all the things you cook. I wanted to check one of the claims that the grill makes, and that is that it will heat up in 5 minutes up to 600 degrees, and it indeed did. And it is cold out here today. It's probably 15 degrees, but the grill in the cold has already come up to about 650 degrees.
All right. Veggies going on the grill.
Everyone is so excited about that.
Holy hotness. What are we at? Oh yeah, that has to cool down a little bit because we're making hamburgers, not charcoal. This grill is beautiful. All right, are you ready for some sear? Oh yeah. Burgers hit the grill.
Family love.
A little bit of second winter grilling.
We're quite the minimalists when it comes to grilling utensils, but the grill does come with 2 hooks with an option to purchase more hooks if needed.
I'll tell you what, I can already see family gatherings here grilling.
Oh, yeah.
The Mesa 2 415BZ delivers exceptional value for its size and price. The 4 main burners deliver 37,000 BTUs, and the side burner can offer 12,000 BTUs.
Those look amazing. I was saying we need to do it big.
Or again.
First burgers were delicious. I'll say there's something to be said though about once the grates are a little seasoned though, right? The next burgers are going to be even better.
Even better.
All in all, our first grilling experience, the whole thing, the unboxing, the assembling, all of it, very straightforward. Monument Grills has it figured out. I mean, quite honestly, to me, a grill doesn't have to do a whole lot other than cook a cheeseburger so I can put it into my mouth.
But the Monument Grill does everything that we want it to do, but so much more. It's a great grill.
It's great. It's a perfect size. This 4 burner is a perfect size for us down here.
I want to eat these while they're hot.
Yeah, you better go. You better go. What are you waiting for? And the veggies, there's nothing we can do with the veggies because although we have them, oh, we're just going to use a flipper to eat them? All right, we're going to figure it out. We have the veggies. They're cooked. They look delicious. They have butter. They have salt. They have pepper. We're going to go and figure out a way to eat these because, like I said, we're at the ice house, you guys know, and we don't have a whole lot of supplies down here yet. There will be a link in the description box below, as well as, you know, that like little, the little carousel along the bottom that has different products that I've used in a video. I will also have the Mesa grill linked in there as well. So thanks to Monument Grills for sponsoring today's video.